Every community has its own worldview, why they are in this world, and how the universe was formed, whether they are the one who came first on the earth. There are many stories related to their creation, destruction, and sustenance. They have their own values, rituals, and belief systems that provide ample information about the cosmology, mythology, and indigenous knowledge. Based on the stories and legends of different communities, a unique exhibition is curated where the oral narratives are transformed to tangible forms by the artist in their own way. These are in the form of paintings, murals, relief, terracotta, and sculptures of various mediums, forms, and dimensions. Terracotta is a living tradition among many ethnic groups till date. These are deeply associated with socio-economic and religious aspects of human life. Terracotta figurines of Sonpur are a part of ongoing traditional practices and understanding the interrelationship of human society with animal world. These terracotta figurines are associated with the festivals and ritual practices. Sonpur, also known as Subarnapur, is situated on the confluence of river Mahanadi and Tel in Sonpur district of Odisha. The conducive geomorphology with the availability of ample river clay has provided an environment to the Kumhars to create magic with varieties of pots, cooking vessels, animal figurines, beautiful lamps, and roof tiles are made. Roof tiles with figurines like birds, monkeys, and other animals are a speciality of Sonpur. The tradition may originated in the need to scare the wild animals or to protect the family from evil spirits. This is also a means of entertainment for small children. Late Sri Loknath Rana, a proficient potter from Sonpur, devoted his entire life in crafting this art form. He demonstrated his artwork in many parts of the country and abroad. The Medhas touch of Loknathji put life into mere clay. He was a treasurer of stories, myths, and folklores. He had created a space for his terracotta artwork in mythological trail exhibition. The terracotta figurines exhibited here are associated with Puramas or Purabalad rituals and Lankapuri Jatra. Bhadrapada Amavasya or Saptapuri Amavasya generally falls in the month of September. Western Orissa celebrate the ritual of Puramas or Purabalad rituals and the Jatra of Lankapuri Hanuman. During Purama ceremony, terracotta figurines of bull are worshipped. Sonpur is also known as Paschim Lanka and the associated deity is Devi Lankeshwari. So to commemorate the Lankadan episode of epic Ramayana, they celebrate Lankapuri Jatra. Young boys play and race with their terracotta toy cart Hanuman. Oil-dipped cloth tied around the tail is lit during the race. Kamdhenu, the wish-fulfilling goddess, is regarded as one of the 14 precious things emerging out of the Samudra Manthan or the churning of the ocean. Supposed to be the wish giver and was bestowed upon the Rishi Vasisht by the gods themselves. The terracotta image of Kamdhenu as half woman and half cow is made by potters all over India and is revered as the mother of all cattle. In Western Orissa, there are many shrines dedicated to her, where in the month of October the image is offered by the devotees for wish fulfillment.